Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix your Discord mic on an iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If a Discord microphone isn't working on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First method, go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down, and find Discord in the list of apps. Ensure that the toggle switch for a microphone is turned on if there's any. Next method, launch the Discord app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to open user settings at the top right corner. Tap on voice. Ensure that the correct input mode is set to voice activity. Another method, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the Discord app to close it. Then open Discord app again to see if the issue is resolved. Next method, hold down the power button until the slide to power off slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone. Another method, press and hold the Discord app until a menu appears. Tap remove app and then tap delete app. Go to the App Store, search for Discord and reinstall the app. Last method, if none of the above steps work, you might need to contact Discord support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.